Our story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, a reduced price, and low miles. Features also include keyless entry, daytime running lights, halogen headlamps, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2015 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.